Hello, and welcome to the Accessibility Services Guide to Reviewing Accommodation Letters for Instructors. In this video, we will explore how instructors who have students with academic accommodations in their courses can view student accommodation letters using the Student Services Portal. To get started, navigate to the TRU Accessibility Services webpage at tru.ca/AS. Next, scroll down until you find the quick links. Then select Student Services Portal. Once you arrive at the Student Services Portal, you will need to log in using your TRU credentials. Then select Login. Once you have logged into the Student Services Portal, you will find the introduction page, which gives you some basic information about the instructor side of the Student Services Portal. To begin viewing student accommodation letters, select Accommodation Letters at the top of the screen. This page will list all of the students that have released accommodation letters to you. You will see the course name, the student name, and the date the letter became available. Next, select View Letter. This screen provides you with two steps. Step 1 is to open the accommodation letter in PDF format by selecting Review PDF Letter. The letter will download and open as a PDF. Once you have reviewed all of the students' accommodations, as well as the instructor responsibilities, you can move on to Step 2. In Step 2, you will need to acknowledge that you have received and reviewed the accommodation letter. After you hit Submit, your student will be able to see that you have read and acknowledged their accommodation letter for this course. If you go back to the Accommodation Letters tab, you can now see that you have confirmed that accommodation letter for that student, and it will give you the date that you did so. If you prefer to view your accommodation letters by course, you can select Courses at the top. Then you can go into each course and select Accommodation Letters. Here it will show you a list of the students that are enrolled in that course who require accommodations. At this point, you can repeat steps 1 and 2. Please note that every time that a student releases their accommodation letter to you, you will also receive an email containing the link to view the accommodation letter within the Student Services Portal. If you have any questions about this process, please contact us at as@tru.ca. Thanks for watching.